Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Netflix on your phone and signing into the exact account you want to change. Make sure the app is updated and you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection so nothing stalls. Once signed in, tap your profile icon and go straight to account settings. This opens the billing and plan area. You need the account owner or billing access. If you don't have it, request permission now so you don't waste steps. Once an account managed plan, you'll see plan options and features side by side. Compare streaming quality, simultaneous screens, and cost. Tap the plan you want, and the app shows the new monthly price and when the change takes effect. Pay attention to pro rata charges or next billing date. After selecting, confirm your payment method or add a new card. Make sure billing details match to avoid rejection. Tap Update. After you confirm the change, watch for confirmation email and verify the account page reflects the new plan. Once done, sign out and back in or restart the app so device limits and quality updates apply immediately. If playback doesn't match your new plan, clear cache or reboot the phone. If payment fails, double-check card number, expiration, CVV, or try a different payment method. Contact Netflix support only after these checks to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.